Shit went back, Jack. Yes, indeed. Represent the sons of liberty. True North original family. David Bravo, much respect, Ice-T. Love all my brothers and sisters. That's why I represent the revolution of accountability and responsibility. As Luna Puma shine with the daddy. And you know, Kiwi heard more. Yes, indeed. Live from his love. I got a passion. I got a feeling in my soul, baby. I feel it back for the living. Kiwi, where you going? She's going back in now. But you know what we're doing? We're gonna shake that son bitch up as only as we can. Let's dance. Let's play. Thank you, Sean Maria. Thank you for coming. Oh, yes, I'm live from Islamabad, baby. We're shaking that son bitch up a little bit. Shining in the sunlight. You know, we were showing you the last on the snow. When we give you the best motherfucking TV show, the Bollywood. You'll get a mind, baby. Cause fuck the police, fuck the enemies. Black war. Stress and anxiety. Represent what you love. And believe what you believe. Otherwise, walk apart. That's Luna Puma, baby. Yes, indeed. I love you, Logan. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you, brother. Baby, take some more. Alright, let's go. Give it a chance. As only as we can. What's your pass? Jack tells me. Jack says you want to get married. This is you in the best motherfucking TV show. Going today. Way better than the mine. Never gonna. We keep asking back. No matter. Bam. The situation. You want a circumstance. Be proud in what you love. Because my Jack's joy. Nice ears. I'm nice and pressed. Because I love you. Appreciate you. Fuck them crooked ass police. Take care of each other.